This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 52 Serverless Computing I. The Smart Grid Lab at IIT Roorkee is a state-of-the-art facility that executes smart grid concepts on hardware with an existing test bed. It covers energy management for grid and islanded modes, peak and off-peak operation, and hardware-in-the-loop experimentation. The lab boasts an impressive array of hardware components, including an RTDS with 430 two-node simulation capacity, a 5 kVA power amplifier supporting PHIL and microgrids, various energy sources like PV emulators, wind emulators, and a diesel generator, as well as storage systems like lead-acid batteries and ultra-capacitors. Hardware-in-the-loop experimentation is a key focus, where real-time simulators interface with physical devices for safe and cost-effective validation under realistic operating conditions. This includes both open-loop and closed-loop setups, as well as CHIL and PHIL configurations for control protection and power device integration, respectively. Several case studies are being conducted to validate smart grid concepts through these hardware setups. These include power flow control strategies, isolated DC microgrid operation with PHIL experimentation, DC microgrid integration with IIT Roorkee's distribution system, and coordinated voltage control for the IEEE 33 bus system. One such case study explores power flow control strategies in a DC microgrid architecture. It integrates the utility grid, loads, PV, battery, and ultracapacitor, with a flowchart optimizing storage operation to avoid stress on the utility during peak hours while prioritizing critical loads in isolated mode. The Smart Grid Lab at IIT Roorkee enables safe and cost-effective testing of devices under each IL setup, practical validation of smart grid concepts through case studies, optimized power flow control for microgrid storage utilization, prioritization of critical loads based on storage in islanded mode, microgrid integration with the utility for peak shaving and grid support, and real-time simulation of IEEE test cases on a high-capacity setup. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.